Air fryers. People tell me that they love them, but do they really fry air? Let's check in with Adam and find out what these things can do.
People do love their air fryers, and we get the enthusiasm because they're good little devices. They do not fry food in the sense of deep frying, where you have a lot of oil that is transmitting heat to the food and giving it a gorgeous brown crust. These obviously use air to fry the food. It browns food quickly and with a lot less oil and mess than deep frying. This is an update of an existing testing. So we added a few new models. We had a total of 16 different models with a price range from $60 to $220.
Big range.
Big range. They come in 3 different styles, which have to do with access. This is the first type. This is the drawer.
Oh, okay.
See?
Yep.
Open the drawer. Nothing shady in there.
Should be full of fried chicken.
Here, why don't you open this one? That's sort of an oven type. It's got an oven door and it's got multiple racks in there.
Got it.
And then R2-D2 at the end, that white one, that's the flip top type.
This is the Stanley Kubrick air fryer model here.
Exactly. Our testers vastly preferred the drawer type. It was much easier to access for both the food and for cleaning.
Okay.
Let's start with capacity, because there was a wide range, about 3 quarts to 11.5 quarts. Some of the ones that were a little smaller only cooked enough food for 2 people, and that's sort of a drawback. Sometimes you want to cook for more than 2. However, we also found that a large stated capacity didn't necessarily mean they did a good job cooking more food.
Interesting.
The food cooks best if it's in a single layer. This oven model with the multiple racks did a fine job cooking chicken cutlets on 1 rack, just for 2 people, but when you doubled that up and did a couple more cutlets on a second rack, the airflow got blocked a little bit and they cooked unevenly.
Right, it's convection.
It's convection.
So we need that circulation. Okay.
Some of the interiors were non-stick coated, and testers thought that was a good idea. They were easier to clean. These don't get hot enough for the non-stick to really vaporize or for them to throw off fumes, so that's not an issue. There are a few features, regardless of the type, that you want to look for. One is an easy, clear interface that's digital, like the controls. You just want them to be intuitive.
Sure.
You don't want a degree in rocket science to operate your air fryer.
We're not launching anything despite this looking like we are.
Exactly. In order for things to cook as evenly as possible, you have to go in and sometimes shake around the French fries or turn over a chicken cutlet or something. So having a timer that pauses automatically when you open it and then starts up again when you close it is super helpful. Also, having an auto shut off is really helpful. So that if you're not there to take the food out the second it's done, it doesn't languish and overcook.
Okay.
This one is the overall winner. It's the Instant Vortex Plus 6-quart air fryer. It's $120. It made great food. It has the drawer type access that we like. It's got plenty of surface area for cooking. It was easy to clean, easy to access. This is a good unit. Or you can go for the Best Buy, which is a lot less money. It's $75. That's the GoWise 3.7 quart 7-in-1 air fryer. A little smaller. Capacity isn't quite as big, but it's got that drawer style access that we really liked. It doesn't cook as much food as the overall winner, but it did a good job cooking what it does cook.
There you go. A great air fryer for every budget. And if you want to get the winner, it's the Instant Vortex Plus 6-quart air fryer. It runs about $120. Or the Best Buy is the GoWise USA 3.7 quart 7-in-1 air fryer, and it retails for about $75.
At Cooks Illustrated, we're food nerds. That's why every recipe we develop involves research, cooking science, and rigorous testing by our team of expert test cooks, before being tested by our dedicated community of 40,000 home cooks. Only the highest rated recipes earn a place in our award-winning magazine. Every issue features our latest recipes and discoveries, cooking tips, and equipment and ingredient reviews. Our step-by-step photos and hand-drawn illustrations show you exactly how to succeed. What you won't see, even a single page of advertising. We've worked for home cooks like you for over 30 years. So, are you ready to become the best cook you know? Subscribe to Cooks Illustrated magazine at cooksillustrated.com today.
We hope you enjoyed this video as much as we enjoyed making it.
Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.
And if you're ready to take your cooking to the next level, head over to americastestkitchen.com and get a free all-access trial membership.
While you're there, you can sign up for our free email newsletters and download our app.
With unlimited access to over 14,000 of our test kitchen recipes and 8,000 product reviews, you'll have everything you need to cook and learn.
So I ask, what are you waiting for?
Let's make something great together.